Hi, I'm Christina, and this is your AMP tip of the week. Today we're going to talk about how to recruit agents with the Share course link. Log into your AMP and click on the instructor role. Click on Courses, click on the course you want to share, click on Edit Course, and make sure that you're an instructor on the course. So that way you will see this little cog icon right here. Click on the icon, click on Availability, and you're going to scroll down and see where it says Public Sharing. This is going to allow you to share this course with a potential real estate agent or trainee that you would like to see the course, but you don't have to have a username or a login. They will just be able to access this one course. So you can click Copy to Clipboard and then send them an email with this link, or you can send invitations here. Click on Save, and now you're ready to share the course.